Hello, I'm Magid Aziz and I teach Darabuka here on Magid's Darabuka channel. Today we will talk about the basic sounds of the Darabuka. Yes, every part of the Darabuka produce a different sound to create the rhythm like Focus with me and let's go find out what the basic sounds are. The first sound in the Darabuka is the sound of dum. To play it properly, you have to spread out your hand on that way, making sure not open that way, it should be that way. Now we start hitting the middle of the Darabuka like this way. Dum, 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 dum. That was about the first sound. And the second sound in the Darabuka, the sound of tak, 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 tak. To play it properly, you have to open your hand like this. Now we start hitting the edge of the Darabuka like this. Tak, 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 tak. So the dum sound, dum, 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 and the tak sound, tak, 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 tak. Now we have reached the end of the video. Don't forget like and subscribe channel. See you.